Hello there, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about a tool that is available for Windows called Portable Apps. So this is basically a tool that you can install a bunch of applications that you can bring around on a USB or just in a folder and transfer that around. It's made to be portable, so you can have this one application on your USB with all these tools that you can go to different Windows computers and run those tools and have all your stuff saved. And yeah, it's a really cool tool. So let's get into it. So you're gonna go to this website. The link will be in the description, and you're basically gonna go to download now. Download again from portableapps.com. You're gonna wait. This is gonna start up. Yes, it's going to start downloading. You click on it. Click OK. Choose your language. Click OK. Next. I agree. Now here, you could do new install. For now, I'm just going to do a select custom location just to show you. We're going to put it in my desktop. We'll say here desktop. Next. Install. So we'll give it a few seconds, and it's already done, and we'll click finish. So let me just show you that. So basically what's going to happen when you first install this is you're going to have, wherever you install this, if you put this on your USB or desktop, you're going to have these three main folders, two folders and an application. So this is your portable documents. You can put your music, pictures, videos, documents, whatever you want. This is where all your applications are going to be going in. All you have to do is run this start guy right here, this little gray icon. Double click on it. You'll see for the first time it's going to check for apps because you have nothing. You can just close this right now unless you want to go through it and read it. And now also the cool thing is, depending on where you have this installed on a USB, it'll tell you how much space you have free. So this is on my main computer, so this is going to tell me how much space I have free on this computer. But yeah, that's a cool tool. We're just going to wait for this to launch, and then I'll show you some applications you can install. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first time you start it. It's going to give you these applications, and they're under categories. So you have accessibility, development, and etc. So let's just say you want it on your USB. You wanted, if we go under internet, you wanted, let's say, Google Chrome. You would just put a little checkbox next to it. And you wanted, let's choose something else. Let's say you wanted OBS Studio to do some recording. We'll leave that for now because I don't want this to be too big of a video. Let's say you needed a PDF reader. You would put this guy right here. We'll leave that for now. I think I'll there's some security tools here too that you can go through and use. Some utilities, some quick little I believe they have CCleaner somewhere around here. But yeah, anyways, there's a lot of cool tools. So just for now, we'll use these two. I'll click next. We'll let that go through, and it's going to start downloading them and installing them. Okay, so sometimes when you install a application, you're going to have to hit the I agree button. So that happens sometimes. Not for every application, but sometimes you'll have to click on that. We'll just continue with the rest of this. Oh, we have to do it again for Google Chrome. Okay. There we go. So that's finished. So now, if we go back on it, you'll see these two applications are installed. So Foxit Reader and Google Chrome. So now you can launch Google Chrome from your USB and save all your bookmarks and all your logins and you can have a portable computer slash programs. And yeah, and if you need to get more applications, you just go to apps and you do get more, and you can do by category, by title. I usually do by category, and it'll bring you to the same area that we were before. So as you can see, we're back on that screen that we were at before to download all our applications, and you would go through the same process, and that's it. And when you're finished, you just click the little X and automatically close your portable apps when you exit. I always do yes. Oh, we still have that open. Okay, well anyways, we'll leave that for now. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for some more content like these how-to tutorials. And also, don't be afraid to leave a comment, and we'll get back to it as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.